Hello and welcome to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today, we're going to walk you through a simple yet important privacy setting on the Spotify mobile app. If you value your personal space online, it's essential to control who sees your Spotify activity. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. After that, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Social. Now keep scrolling until you see the Profile Visibility section. To make your profile private, simply toggle off the Make My Profile Public option. When it's turned off, other users will no longer be able to search for or view your profile. That's it. Your Spotify profile is now private. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.